So since here we have to find the sum of first 1000 positive integers, so the series is s equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, and the series will continue up to 1000. Okay, so the sum of first 1000 positive integer, we will use this formula because here the first term and the last term is known. So the formula that we are going to use is s equals to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, so just we have to put the values of n, a and l in the respective place to find the sum of 1000 positive integers. Okay, so n value is, since there are total 1000 positive integers sum that we have to find, so n value here is 1000. So in place of n we will put 1000. So 1000 by 2 into a is the first term, that is 1 plus l is the last term, that is 1000. So 1 plus 1000. Okay, now we have to simplify, so we will cancel it out by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 0 0, here we will get 500 into 1 plus 1000 we will get 1001. Now simply we have to multiply 1001 into 500. So when we will multiply, what we will get? 5005 and here 00, so 00. So our final answer will be 5,500 will be our final answer. So that is the sum of the first 1000 positive integers will be what? 5,500. This is our final answer. Hope it is clear. The next question. The next question is asking us to find the sum of first n positive integers. Okay, so we have to find the sum of first n positive integers. So the series that we have written is what? S equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. Here we are finding the sum of first n positive integers. So the formula that we will use again will be S equals to n by 2 into a plus l, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term and l is the last term of the AP series. Okay, so since we have to find the sum of first n positive integers, so n will remain as n only, n by 2, first term is 1, a is the first term. Okay, so 1 plus l, last term is our n. Okay, so the formula will be what? Formula will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is our final answer. This is an important formula, that is the sum of first n positive integers is s equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, come to the next question, that is example number 15. In example number 15, it is saying that find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of number whose nth term is given by an equals to 3 plus 2n. Here we have to find the sum of first 24 terms. First 24 terms sum we have to find, where the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an equals to 3 plus 2n. Since here n is what? A natural number. So in place of n we will put 1 to find the first term. Okay, so a1 will be what? Here in place of n we will put 1. Okay, so a1 will be what? a1 equals to 3 plus 2 into n. In place of n we are using 1. Okay, to find the first term. Okay, so 3 plus 2. So here we will get 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 5 is our first term of the AP. Okay, for finding the second term, we will put n equals to 2. Okay, so we will put n equals to 2. Okay, so a2 will be what? a2 will be 3 plus 2 into 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 into 2. In place of n we will put 2, so 3 plus 2 into 2. So when we will simplify, 3 plus 2 to the 4, here we will get 7. Okay, 7 is our second term. To find the third term, okay, third term of the series, we will put n equals to 3. So a3, the third term will be what? 3 plus 2 into 3. Okay, so 3 plus, when we will simplify, 3 plus what? Here will be 6. Okay, so 3 plus 6 will be 9. So 9 will be our third term. Okay, so similarly you can find the fourth term, fifth term and so on. Okay, so the AP series that we will form by this given equation, that is an equals to 3 plus 2n, the AP series will be 5, 7, 9 and so on. Here the first term of the AP will be what? A is 5. Okay, common difference will be what? 7 minus 5, that is second term minus first term will be 2. Okay, and since we have to find the sum of first 24 terms, okay, we have to find the sum of first 24 terms, so n value will be what? 24. Okay, and the sum we have to find, that is S24, will be what? Okay, S24 we have to find it out. Okay, so Sn formula is what? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we can't use that formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l, since the last term is unknown here. Okay, so in place of n, what we will put? N value is given, that is 24. So 24 by 2 into 2 into a is what? 5 plus n is what? 24 minus 1 into d value is what? 2. Okay, we are just putting the values and then solving it. Okay, so here 2 12s are 24, so here will be 12. Here when we will open the bracket, 2 into 5 will be 10 plus 23 into 2. Okay, so here 12 into, here will be 10 plus 23 into 2 will be 46. Okay, so here will be 12 into 56. Okay, 12 into 56. When we will multiply it, so 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 2 carries 7, and 12 5 60, 60 plus 7 will be 67. Okay, so our final answer will be 672, that is 672 will be our final answer. Okay, 672 will be our final answer. That is the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an equals to 3 plus 2n, whose answer is what? 672, that is 672. Okay, hope it is clear. Come to the last example of exercise 5.3. The last example, that is example number 16. Here it is saying that a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. That means third term, in the third year he is producing 600 TV sets. Okay, and 700 sets in the seventh year. That means in the seventh year, that is A7 value is given, that is in the seventh year he is producing 700 TV sets. Okay, assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, we have to find the production in the first year. So the first part of the question is asking us to find the first term. Okay, the first term, production in the first year, that means the first term we have to find it out. Okay, the production in the 10th year, we have to find the production in the 10th year. Okay, that is A10 we have to find. And in the third part of the question, it is asking us to find the total production in the first 7 years. That means total production, that means what? We have to find the sum. Okay, we have to find the sum of all that 7 years. That means S7 we have to find out. Okay, so the data that are given, that are known to us, is that A3 is given, that is 600, A7 is given, that is 700. Okay, so A3 in general form can be written as A plus 2D, and its value is what? 600 according to the question. This is our first equation. Okay, A7 is given. Okay, A7 is given, that is in its general form is A plus 6D equals to 700. Its value is already defined. Okay, this is our second equation. So what I am doing? I am subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, equation 2 minus equation 1 I am doing. So equation 2 is A plus 60 equals to 700, and my equation 1 is A plus 2D equals to 600. I am simply subtracting it. Okay, I am simply subtracting it. When I will subtract plus A and minus A, it will get cancelled out. 60 minus 2D, it will be 4D, and here I will get 700 minus 600, that is 100. Okay, so here D value will be what? 100 by 4, that is 25. Okay, D value is 25. Okay, now we have to find out the value of A. So we will put this value of D in our first equation. Okay, so from equation 1, our equation 1 is A plus 2D equals to 600. So in place of D, I am putting it 25. Okay, so 25, and when I will simplify, what I will get? A equals to, here 600, here will be 600, and minus see, this 2 into 25 will be 50, and when this 50 will go to the RHS portion, it will be minus 50. Okay, so A will be what? 600 minus of 50. A will be 600 minus of 50. Okay, so here when I will simplify, what will be the value of A? 600 minus 500 will be 550. Okay, 550. So the first part of the answer, is what? A is 500. So we can say that the production of TV sets in the first year is what? 500. Okay, the first part, this is the answer of the first part of the question. Okay, come to the second part of the question. The second part of the question is asking us to find the production in the 10th year. Production in the 10th year, that means we have to find A10. Okay, A10. So the general form of writing A10 is what? A plus 9D. Okay, A value we have found out just now, that is 550 plus 9 into D. D is what? 25. When we will simplify, what we will get? Okay, I am doing in the next line. Here we will get 550 plus, when we will multiply 9 into 25, so 9 5s are 45, 5 carry 4, and 9 to 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Okay, and when we will add, what we will get? We will get 775. Okay, so 775 is our final answer. That is the production of TV sets in the 10th year is what? 775. That means 775. This is the answer of the second part of example number 16. Okay, come to the last part of the question, that is number 3, that is total production in the first 7 years. Total production in the first 7 years means we have to find S7. Okay, we have to find S7. So first I am writing Sn formula. Sn formula is what? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so n value is what? N value is 7, d I know, a I know. Okay, so n, in place of n I am putting 7 by 2. Okay, here will be what? 2 into a. A value is what? 550. Okay, plus n is 7, so 7 minus 1, and d was what? 25. Okay, d was what? 25. So into 25. When I will simplify it, what I will get? 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2. 2 into 500, 0, 5 to 10, carry 1, 10, 11, 1100. Okay, plus here I will get 6. So 6 into 25 will be what? 150. Okay, here will be 150. So here 7 by 2 into, when I will add it, what I will get? I will get 1250. Okay, and this 2 I will cancel by 1250. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So our answer will be what? 7 into, our answer will be what? 7 into 625. And when I will multiply it, 7 5 35, 5 carry 3, so into 14, 14 3 17, carry 1, 7 6 42, 43. So our final answer will be 4375. Okay, 4375 will be our final answer. That is the total production of TV sets in the first 7 years. In the first 7 years is 4375. Hope it is clear. Thank you for watching the session.